Starting to look good.
Oh, it smells great.
Oh, the peanut gallery over here listening to my video. But it does smell great, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Mike.
And this is Joey.
And we're in our mobile backpack.
backpack.
We're on our journey to Phoenix and just have been caught in this cold weather coming along the way. We've been in tornado warnings, rain for days, hours actually, not days.
But one time it rained hard for 29 hours.
Oh my gosh, it was crazy.
Oh.
And now we're in freezing weather. We've been in freeze warnings since we have been on the road for the last few days.
I didn't think about it. We hooked up here yesterday and I hooked up the hose for water. Well, yeah, it's frozen.
It froze.
So we went back to our tank water.
Yeah. But today, since it's so cold, one of the great things to do on a cold day is make some nice hot soup. So I'm going to show you my soup recipe. It's a modification of a recipe that I found on the Instapot programs on YouTube from 6 sisters, and I've modified it to make it my own version, but I'm going to show you how to do it today in the Instapot.
So come on along with us and you'll learn how.
Absolutely. As we've explained, we're making a hot soup. I call it a hot hearty bean soup with an enchilada flair. So how I'm going to start basically is just give you the list of ingredients. Very simple to do. It's done in your Instapot. We have a mini Instapot, which we just love because we can make this soup and it will give you, or give us 2 servings of soup, for one for now and one for later. So I usually freeze the second serving so that we can have it down the road whenever we feel like it. So today, what I'm doing is I've already prepped some of this. I've got my chopped onions for sauteing, which is a 1/4 chopped onion for us, and a 1/4 of a big bell pepper, and I chose the orange one today. And then we also have a can of pinto beans and a can of black beans, which I've already strained because we need to have that strained for the recipe. Whole kernel corn, juice and all. I chose a enchilada sauce, a verde enchilada sauce, because I like that green verde flavor. And the Rotel hot chopped tomatoes with habanero, because we like it spicy. And a can of chicken breast, the shredded chicken can breast. You're going to use 2 cups of chicken broth and taco seasoning for flavor. So I find these ingredients RV friendly. They're easy to store in our pantry, which is overhead, or to put them in the basement. Just buy extras, put them in the basement, and keep them in plastic containers until I absolutely need to use them. And then I use them for all types of things, for chilies, for pasta dishes, all types of things that would be easy to do in my Instapot. So let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saute my onions and bell peppers because I like them a little more on the glistening side. And I use a little bit of EVO to coat the bottom of the pan. I hear it sizzling. And then throw those onions in there and saute them. And when they get all sauteed up, then we'll add the bell pepper real quick for a quick saute toss. Next, I'm going to add some bell pepper. Saute that up. I love that warm onion flavor that's going on whenever we're sauteing in this pot for anything, whether it's spaghetti sauce, chili, taco meat, whatever. I love that smell. Just, whew, yum. So in the meantime, while that's sauteing, I've gone ahead and opened the cans, ready for them to go into the the pot to start cooking, and we'll measure out the chicken broth when the time comes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the saute because I think it's done enough for my flavor, because it's going to cook a little bit more whenever we turn the pot on. So I'm going to turn that saute off. We're going to go ahead and, I've already drained the chicken breast. We're going to dump that in. And clean up as you go. It's really good. Toss that around with the onions so we get them all broken up in there. Those big chunks, make them smaller. And then add the drained beans into the pot. So I'm kind of putting all of the ingredients into the pot, and then we're going to turn it on and cook for about 4 minutes on high. So the next we're going to do, open this can of corn. We're going to remember we put the whole can, including the juice. Sometimes I use frozen corn if I don't have a can of corn, and just add a little more chicken broth to it. And our Rotel habanero, the enchilada sauce. 2 cups of chicken broth. Make sure you don't go over that fill line. That's kind of important as well. Otherwise it doesn't steam well. Get that 2 cups of chicken broth in there. There we go. And a package of taco seasoning. And then I stir it all together. Get them all mixed up. It's starting to look good.
Oh, it smells great.
Oh, the peanut gallery over here listening to my video. But it does smell great, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And now the easy part, which is closing the lid, turning your vent, and putting it on high for 4 minutes, and you are ready to go. So we'll be back when this is done and see what it looks like. And the magic of camera. Okay, it's ready. Let's get some steam off. I do a natural, not a natural release, a quick release when I do this, because I don't want it to cook anymore, because everything is pretty much cooked in there. So I just want to make sure all the flavors got absorbed and filled within the soup. I do a quick release so that we can go ahead and eat it right away. Here we go. Because I'm inside, I also cover the steam to kind of help keep it from filling up the whole place with steam. Oh my goodness, that steamy smell. Oh, it's so good. Okay, here we go. Voila. Yummy soup. Ooh. Looking delicious. Yummy flavors. Ooh, smells delicious. All those yummy things. I like to make this soup with these ingredients because they are high fiber, low fat ingredients, and want to make sure that Mike and I are eating healthy on the road. So we, from a standpoint of Weight Watcher freestyle, because we are Weight Watchers, this is pretty much a 0 point soup. Oh, so delicious. So we're going to serve it up and show you the toppings that you can add to it. Be right back. All right, so got it all dipped up. Mike's ready for lunch.
Heck yeah, bring it on.
And we're going to add some cheese. I use a reduced fat or low fat cheddar or Mexican cheese. Oops, this guy is not cooperating with me. Here, Dad. Thank you. And just sprinkle some of that on top. The other thing you can do is you can add sour cream. I add a little bit of plain low-fat Greek yogurt, which is the other type of sour cream that has less calories in it, but we really enjoy it on there. And are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Here you go. You want to...
All right, here, let me move this Out of the way there.
Okay, lunch is served.
Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is good. Ooh. Big
This
chunks
is
of
my taste
chicken.
tester.
Yeah, I'll be the tester. Man, that is good. That's good stuff. Thank you, dear.
Just remember, you could do this soup so easy. You can make it mild or spicy. You can make it more veggie, less beans, whatever way it tastes good to you. But it's quick and easy. That's the important part. The other thing to remember is that you can also put the ingredients together ahead of time, freeze them up, and when you need a hot pot of soup, throw them in your Instapot or on top of the stove and you're ready to go.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
We'd love to have you as a subscriber. So please click the button below to subscribe. And if you want to get notified of all of the stuff that we're working on in the future, go ahead and hit that little bell below.
Ding, 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 ding.
And the most important thing,
Take some time out and enjoy life.
life. We want to thank you today for joining us in this little cooking demonstration. We hope that you'll try this recipe and let us know what you think. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.